What's up, it's you on a nerd, aka you on a nerd12512. Warning, there will be cursing, swearing, racism, sexism, and also sexual innuendos. This is part... Four? I don't know, it's one of the chain links of the pre-recorded Modern Warfare 2 campaign series. At 1:20, I'm gonna go into the campaign, and at 1:30, I'll actually start it up. So, you know. But until then, basically, this is pre-recorded just because if I don't have any content, and if I have a couple of days I can scratch off, pretty simple. So, you know, that's one. Or if I'm on vacation, then I can have something to upload. So, this is uploaded on the 25th, the 25th of January 2017, 21st century. So, pretty simple. Sit back, relax. This is max PC, this is max settings on PC. Not 60 frames for recording, but 60 frames in game. Not that hard, so pretty simple. Now, just something for you all to know. This is no commentary, so have a nice one.
Someone turn off that damn TV. My task force is out of the country. I'm commandeering your unit, Sergeant Foley.
Yes, sir. All yours, sir.
I've requisitioned a striker from the 8th Armored.
Honey Badger's a mean bitch, sir.
She'll walk you in. The Russians are burning through our defenses and our intel. Can't let them take this corner.
Just point it out on the map, sir. They won't take it.
Solid copy. Engaging target. Badger 1 to Hunter 2. Target area suppressed. Roger. Attacking your target. Badger 1 to Hunter 2. Area suppressed. Solid copy. Engaging target. Stand clear. We're rolling. Badger 1 to Hunter 2. Area suppressed. Confirmed. Engaging infantry at checkpoint. Badger 1 to Hunter 2. Area suppressed.
target, over. Stand clear, we're rolling. Use your designator. Raise targets for the striker.
Moving! Ramirez! Honey Badge is moving! Get the hell out of the way!
Hunter 2-1 actual. Overlord, give me a sit rep, over.
We just passed the enemy blockade at checkpoint Lima. Now proceeding into Arcadia. Over.
Roger that. I have new orders for you. This comes down from the top, over.
Solid copy, Overlord. Send it.
Your team is to divert to 4677 Brookmere Road after you have eliminated the AAA.
Solid copy, Overlord. Divert to 4677 Brookmere Road once the guns are destroyed. Got it.
Check back with me when you've completed your main objective. Overlord out.
Ramirez, you're gonna get run over. Get out of their way.
All Hunter units, this is Badger 1, standing by to engage your targets, over.
Casey! Roger! Cover me! Casey! Moving! Copy! Contact that surrounded pod! Roger, I have a target! Cover me!
All Hunter units, this is Badger 1, standing by to engage your targets, over. Roger, we have a lot. Engaging house. Badger 1 to Hunter 2, area suppressed. Use your designator. Raise targets for the striker. Solid copy. Engaging target. Let's go! Let's go! Badger 1 to Hunter 2. Target area suppressed. Move out! data. Raise focus for the striker. Target area suppressed. Everyone move on! Roger, attacking your target. Badger 1 to Hunter 2, target area suppressed. Target area suppressed. Everyone move on! Roger, we have a lock. Engaging house. Badger 1 to Hunter 2, area suppressed. Target area suppressed. Everyone move on! Roger, we have a lock. Engaging house. Badger 1 to Hunter 2, target area suppressed. Target area suppressed. Roger, we have a lock. Engaging house. Badger 1 to Hunter 2, target area suppressed. coordinates. This is Badger 1. Blaze the target, over.
He's up in the back! Man down!
Ramirez! Use your laser designated to call in artillery on those vehicles.
Fire mission received. Artillery inbound.
Barry, contact at your 9 o'clock.
Coordinates confirmed. Firing.
Overlord, Hunter 2-1 actual. AAA has been neutralized. We're heading to 4677 Brookmere Road. Interrogative. What exactly are we looking for? Over.
Sergeant Foley, this is General Shepard. Your objective is to extract a high-value individual from a panic room on the second floor of that house.
Yes, sir.
He'll be expecting you. Challenge is Ice Pick. Countersign is Phoenix. Get him out of there. Report back to Overlord. Shepard out.
All right. You heard the man. 4677 Brookmere Road. Move. Ice pick. Ice pick. Something's not right here. Check the panic room. Move. No sign of forced entry. Ramirez, get that briefcase. What's left of it?
Sarge, check out these tats. Not your average trooper, huh?
Good. Get a couple of photos for G2, and check the bodies for intel.
What?
Shepard's not gonna like this. Overlord, the HBI is dead.
Seems we're headed the wrong direction, sir. Shouldn't we be coming back to the fight?
Plenty of fight to go around, McTavish. Glad you made it out of South America. You're meeting up with the 6th Fleet, leading the counterstrike. Prisoner 627. We believe that's who Makarov's got the mad on for, but we can't get to him.
Oil rigs, sir?
Russians are using them as SAM sites. Oil workers are human shields, so we can't just blow up the rigs wholesale. And this one is the least defended. Boys, I know I'm sending you into the meat grinder on this one.
They're defending it, so it means we want it. Especially if it gets us to 627.
USS Chicago, actual to dry dock shelter. We have a go. DDS hangar flooded. Full pressure. Begin deployment. Team 1 STV is away. Hotel 6, bearing 019 dagger. USS Dallas deploying Team 2. RV at the objective. Hotel 6, depth 20 meters. Team 2 at the objective.
position. On your go. Two hostiles down in Section 1 Alpha. Moving up to Section 2.
Roger that, Hotel 6.
Keep it tight, people. Ready weapons. Got a visual while arriving. 3 to engage. Suppressed weapons only. We're clear.
Civilian hostages at your position. Watch your fire.
Roger that. Team 1 moving to breach.
Убить заложника!
Clear. We're clear.
Roger that, Hotel 6. Team 2 will secure an evac. Get topside and find the rest of the cities.
Okay, move upstairs. Control, we're advancing to deck 2. Eyes open. Watch your sectors.
Enemy helo patrolling the perimeter. Keep a low profile, Hotel 6.
Roger that. Enemy helo, get out of sight.
Hotel 6, more hostages are at your position.
Copy that.
Убить их!
Clear. Clear.
Control, all deck 2 hostages secured.
Enemy radio. I think we're gonna have company, sir.
Set up a plan B. Get some C4 on those bodies. Go. Get C4 on those bodies ASAP. We don't have much time.
C4, place, sir.
Get to an elevated position. We'll ambush them when they discover the bodies. There's the patrol. Hold your fire until they're closer. Stand by. Stand by. Plan B. Do it. Control, this is Hotel 6. Our cover is blown.
Copy that. Intel still indicates hostages and possible explosives on the top deck. Your team needs to secure that location before we can send in reinforcements to handle the SAM sites. Over.
Roger that. We'll call in for Expo at LZ Bravo. CENTCOM needs us to take the top deck ASAP so they can send in the Marines. Move. Ghost. Contacted you at 12 o'clock. Put mobile in the open. Got eyes on target. Cover me. Ghost. Contacted you at 9 o'clock. Put a man down. He's breaking from cover. I don't have a shot. Tango down. Ghost. Target 10 o'clock. Roger, I see him. Tango down. Moving.
Hotel 6, hostages from lower decks are being extracted by Team 2. Proceed to the top deck ASAP to secure the rest. Over.
Copy that. We're working on it. Out. Enemy helicopter. Get down. Get down. Tango down.
Target is Oscar Mike. Proceed to the top deck ASAP to secure the rest. Over.
Copy that. We're working on it. Out. Ghost. Tango Keep moving by those fuel containers.
I have a target.
Target neutralized.
Enemy helicopter, get down, get down! Room, contact, 3 o'clock.
Changing mag.
Avatar, I've got target behind the second oak crate.
Got eyes on target.
Nice shooting, Roach.
The clock's ticking. We need to get topside and secure any remaining hostages before we call in the Marines.
Ghost, foot mobile in the open.
I can't get a shot.
I'm out.
Target at 1 o'clock. Tango down.
Avatar, contacting the fuel containers.
I have a visual. Ghost, target at 9 o'clock.
Target neutralized.
Roger, I have a target.
Got a tango in the open. Tango down. Take him down.
Contact you 4 o'clock.
I can't get a shot.
Got him.
Roach, take him down.
Avatar, target at your 2 o'clock.
Can't get a shot. He's out of my line of sight. Take your fire.
Right out. Ghost, foot mobile in the open.
I have a visual.
Split up. We can flank through these hallways.
Ghost, target movement by those barrels.
I have a visual.
Target neutralized. Avatar, they're on the move.
I have a target. Ghost, target movement by those barrels.
Got eyes on target.
Loading.
Let's go. Those hostages aren't going to rescue themselves. Move up. Avatar, tango behind those pipes.
Got a visual.
They're popping smoke.
All teams be advised. These guys are a step up. They're using thermal optics to see through the smoke.
Roach, target at 3 o'clock. Tango down. Avatar, target at 1 o'clock.
I can't get a shot.
All teams be advised. These guys are a step up. They're using thermal optics to see through the smoke.
Avatar, movement.
I have a visual.
Ghost.
Avatar, target in the open. Enemy is popping smoke.
All teams be advised. These guys are a step up. They're using thermal optics to see through the smoke.
Man down! RPG!
guys gotta step up. They're using thermal optics to see through the smoke. Contact near the barrels. Target acquired. Contact at your 5 o'clock. Roger, thank you, Sergeant.
Hotel 6, be advised, hostages have been confirmed at your location along with possible explosives. Over.
Copy that. All teams check your fire. Don't know what's behind these doors. Clear. Room clear. Control. All hostages have been secured. I repeat, all hostages secured. Proceeding to LZ Bravo. Over.
Good job, Hotel 6. Marine reinforcements are inserting now to dismantle the SAM sites. Get your team ready for phase 2 of the operation. Out. Hunter 2-2, this is Drive. Full flight secure. All EOD teams are cleared for landing. Punisher, all flights in vicinity of grid 255202. Local airspace is secure. I repeat, local airspace is secure. Proceed on course to target area along route November 2.
Punisher, this is Hunter Actual. Hunter 2-2 is moving to secure the SAM site at the southwest corner of main deck. Hunter 2-3 is proceeding towards the Darren building to disarm the explosives.
Punisher Actual to all strike teams. All SAM sites neutralized. Repeat, all SAM sites have been neutralized. Blue sky in effect.
Six fleets mopping up. Time to move in. Long history of this building. Not much of it pretty. It started out as a castle with an actual dungeon, built to withstand any siege. The building survived every brutal winter. The occupants, they weren't so lucky. The monastery didn't survive the purges. Over the last century, it's played host to anyone the government didn't want but couldn't kill. The place is filled with living casualties of the last war, which I swear I thought we'd won. And I suppose it's all a day of the races. You back the losing horse and this is where you end up. 627's the piece of meat Makarov wants, so let's cut him loose.
30 seconds.
22-1, this is Jester 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s, 4 harms for the section. Stand by for SEAD, over.
Solid copy, Jester. Go get him.
Good tone, Fox 3, Fox 3. Good kill. Hornet 2-1, you're cleared all the way in. Good luck. Out.
Hornet 2-1 copies. 2-2 copies all.
to the Navy at this point.
Bloody Yanks. I thought they were the good guys. Ghost, cut the chatter. Stay frosty.
Second wave going in. Stand by. 10 feet. 2-1 touching down at target. T1 is deployed. Going in.
Go, go, go!
3 going into open and satellite. Never cover over. 5-3, this is 2-1. Solid copy on all.
Contact at 9 o'clock. I'm moving. Can't get a shot. It's out of my line of sight. Contact at you 12 o'clock. Yeah, I see him. Pieces. Tango's under the fire wall. Copy, 2-1. Landing cargo on the second floor.
2-1 copies. Got a tally on 6 tangos. Inbound high.
Contact at you 12 o'clock. I'm tracking him. Moving. Undertone. Contact by the low wall under the barbed wire. I have a target. Take your mag. Get him. Contact at you 12 o'clock. Move it. Tango down. Goes. Target at 12 o'clock. Roger, target acquired. Hey, Numpty, watch your fire.
The entrance is up ahead. Keep moving.
Cover me. Tango down.
This is it. We go in, grab prisoner 627, and get out. Take your corner.
McTavish, target at 9 o'clock.
Got eyes on.
That's a control room up ahead. I can use it to find a prisoner. I'll tap into the system and look for the prisoner. It's gonna take some time.
Copy that. Roach, we're on cell duty. Follow me.
Cell clear. All right, I'm patched in. I'm tracking your progress on the security cameras.
Copy that. You have the location for prisoner 627?
Negative, but I've got a searchlight tracking hostiles on your floor. That should make your job easier.
Roger that. Stay sharp. The prisoner may be in one of these cells.
Roger, take him down. Undertone. Contact. Enter the hall. Enter cell door. Target acquired.
Ghost, we've hit a security door. Get it open.
I'm working on it. This hardware is ancient. Target breaking for cover. Roger, stand by. Got it.
Let's go.
Get him. Target at 11 o'clock. Cell 4D is clear. The cell's clear. Move. Ghost, I see movement. You target this way.
Talk to me, Ghost. These cells are deserted.
Got it! Prisoner 627's been transferred to the east wing. Head through the armory in the center. That's the fastest way there.
Roger that. Squad, head for that armory down there. Move!
See anything you like?
Bad news, mate. I'm tracking 3. No, 4 hostile squads converging on your position.
Let's go. We're too exposed. Ghost, open the door.
Bloody hell. They've locked it from the hard line. I'll have to run a bypass.
They're already here.
tangos headed your way.
We're gonna need more cover. Grab a riot shield.
Be advised, you got more tangos headed your way.
We're gonna need more cover. Grab a riot shield.
Almost there. Routing through the auxiliary circuit.
I'll go to fire with a riot shield. You take him out.
Go. Target 8 o'clock.
Battle. Runner. Target quiet.
Sheriff, cover me. Target neutralized. Roger, I'm on it. Ghost, target at 12 o'clock.
What's that fire?
Sparrow, got a foot mobile. He's on your line.
Got eyes on target. Ghost here. Recommend you bypass the lower floors by rappelling out that window.
Copy that. Roach, follow me.
Captain McTavish, last floor clear. We'll link up with you at the bottom. Got a
The
man
camera
down.
feed in solitary confinement is dead. The power must be down in that section. Roger that. Squad, switch to night vision. Roach, take him out.
Contact at 1 o'clock. This one's empty.
This one's empty too.
Clear. Clear. This one's empty.
Shepard, what the hell was that? Get the name and cease fire.
The Navy isn't in a talking mood right now. Stand by. Bravo 6, they've agreed to stop firing for now. Keep going. I'll keep you posted. Out.
McTavish, hostile spotted behind the pipe.
I got eyes on target.
Go, go. Go, go, go.
The old shower room's about 30 feet ahead of you on the left. You'll have to breach the wall to get in.
Roach, find the breaching charge on the wall. We're taking a shortcut.
McTavish. Tango is Oscar Mike in the Jerosa showers.
Taking a shot, he's in my line of sight.
Cover me. Break out. Break cover.
Ahead of you on the left.
Well, that'll be all for this little episode. I know that I went over the usual time of 40 minutes, usually 41, 47, so that'll be a bitch for uploading. But this is, what, part 4? I think it's part 4 of the pre-recorded Modern Warfare 2 campaign series. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it. And if I still have it roaming around, go into the discussions tab also and rate why you disliked it. Go into the discussions tab, create a vote, join in on a vote, ask me a question, and I'll probably answer it. Yeah. But one little thing before it hits 50 minutes. For fuck's sakes, if you're gonna clear your corners, start using fucking flashbangs, dumb fuck. Have a nice one.